Yes.
Okay. Um, in the last lecture, we have already talked about different components of view container, like view, scroll view, swiper, and movable view. Now we'll continue with our next uh, component, cover view. Yeah, it's here. Oh la la. Yeah, we will hear. For cover view, it is a text view that can be overlaid on native components. Native components that can be overwritten include map, video, canvas, camera, lead player, lead pusher, etc. Only cover view cover image and button, they are allowed to be nested inside. We have one property here, scroll top. The type of it is number. It is to yeah. Default value of it is to set the top scroll offset, which only takes effect after setting overflow. Why scroll to become a scroll element? Mm, yeah. Oh no. I'm sorry. Here I have Mar explained or Mar it will interpret this part in a table. It's not default value, it's explanation. And here, the last column is not notes, it's the minimum version. Yeah, minimum version of WeChat. You see, we have also the cover image. It is a picture view that can be overlaid on native components. And the overridable native components are the same as cover view. The component can be used directly or nested in cover view, and its properties are shown here. We have three properties here. SRC, I think this one is we can deduce it from this name. It's the icon pi support temporary path network address. We have bind load, bind error, and they are triggered when the image is loaded successfully or when the image fails to load. We have an example here. It's a simple application of cover view. It's a small program component view container. Do you want to try to, try to realize it? Yeah, you see, as I have said here, what we need to use is the cover view. And yeah, in his, this one, cover view, you can try to, try it. Perhaps you can realize it, this application. I'll give you perhaps two minutes. Try to realize as much as you can, and we'll do it together in 2 minutes. Try to realize it like this. Use the cover view. Try this. Have you tried to realize it with cover view?
No, Laoshi, I wasn't too sure on how to do it.
Well, I'm also confused about like the structure.
Okay, now we are as we are discovering together. Yeah, as we say, we use cover view. Similarly, we can do like in my mouse. Yeah, it works now. You see here. In the last lecture, we have used them like this. We have talked about view container movable view. Yeah, so we can continue with this part. We can continue like this. Three, perhaps we can just make. Yeah. Here we set it as a fifth one, view container cover view. And similarly, we get our demo box title. We set it, yeah. We can say we put cover view on the map. And then here, similarly, we change this one. Yeah, we change this part. Okay, we will change it. Before we use map, as we need to put a map. Oh, sorry. Map, and then we use the cover view. Yeah, at there we need to put the cover view there. We need another clause of cover view. You see here we have the title, put the cover view, and then we need to put another clause, cover view, to set it. We put the name, cover view. Sorry. Of course, we don't need a clause, that's why here we give the name, and then we set the source of the cover image. I will see if I have made it. Yeah, image. Oh, I forgot if I have put it or not. But we may try. The most one. House. I forgot if I have put it or not. This color, and then we put our button. We set a button. Yeah. Oh, button we can we'll talk about button in detail later. Yeah. Now we'll see. Oh, what else? You see here we have set the map cover view. Then we need to set them in Weixin SS as usual. Perhaps I forgot to put the map. Maybe if it doesn't work, we can change another picture. Here is the map, the size of the map. We set the background color. Yeah, perhaps we set it like this. Then we get the margin. Here we have set the cover view, then we set cover image. For the cover image, we need to use the property like, yeah, also its size, width, height, margin. With 100 RPX. Width of it is also 100 RPX. And margin 0. Now we'll see the effect of it. Here, the component. Yeah, you see it's here. Oh, yeah, have you seen it? This is the button. Here we got the map, and here we'll change. Yeah, we can. This one is because we haven't. The picture we set here is not like this. We can get something different, like home, for example. If we get this page here, it will be shown here. You see. Yeah, have you seen it? Cover view. Put cover view on the map. Here is this use. Yeah, you see we have put a map component here to show the default. This one is the default map image, and in it we have put a cover view to cover the upper of the map. And in cover view, we have put a cover view, we have put cover image and button components here, button, to show customized content, the text, image, and button effect. Yeah. Here is this example. Now we'll see some basic content. Sorry. For the here, basic contents mainly include 4 tabs as shown here in this table. We have the component name, icon, text, rich text, and progress. Each of them represent icon component, text component, rich text component, and the progress bar component. Yeah, you see first one is the icon. Icon is the icon component. Developers can customize its type, size, and color. The corresponding attributes of these components are shown here. We have then type, size, and color. You see, for the type, it's string, we have no default value and it is icon type. We have the size, which is a number. Icon size, the unit of it is pixels. We have color, icon color, for example, red. And the effect diagram corresponding to the type attribute value is shown here in this table. We have the success, no circle, info, warm, waiting, cancel, sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I need to, it's difficult when I have put it, oh la la. I have put it, but it's changed to the place. That's why it's like this now. It is too long. Yeah, normally it should be like this. Search, download, cancel, waiting, warm, info. Yeah, okay. Now it's okay. You see, we have these attributes. For the success icon, we use it to indicate that the operation was successfully completed. It also appears in the multi. We have the success icon without a circle style, which is used to indicate that the operation is successfully completed. It also appears in the radio control, indicates that it has been selected. We have this prompt icon, which is used to indicate information prompt. We have the warning icon, which is used to remind events that require attention. We have the waiting icon, which is used to indicate that the transaction is being processed. We have the cancel icon to indicate the close or cancel. The download icon to indicate that it can be downloaded. We have the search icon to indicate search that it is searchable. We have another one. Oh la la. Here, I need to put it. I'll just put it like this, but it goes down. Oh, sorry. Yeah, and a clear icon. It's emitting icon used to indicate that clear content. Yeah, okay. You see these icons? We can, see here, we can declare a red pixel, 14 pixel warning icon like this one. If there are multiple icons that need to be generated, yeah, okay, we can try this. It's very, very simple, and we can check it directly. To set our icon with our warm icon, we set the size of it, and then the color of it. Yeah, you see here is this icon. You can put it. Oh, sorry. Uh-oh. Yeah, have you seen it? It's just here, a warm icon here. And similarly,
Yes,
thank you, Kaya. Similarly, if there are multiple icons that need to be generated in batches, we can use data to recode the data in the corresponding JS file in advance and then use the block tag in the Weixin ML file. This means, yeah, it means like this. Yeah, I'll try. Perhaps later I can get you. Yeah. I'll try this one. Maybe. Oh, okay. Perhaps it's better that I'll try it with you. Here, as we say, at first we need to use it in Weixin ML. Here, you can use similarly at first view, and then, oh, sorry, we can use block. As we want to get multiple colors of information of icon. Oh, sorry, we can use the block. We use 4. Yeah, we can set the color. You see, when we use it like this, we need to define it in JS file. Yeah, you see like this. We have asked a for loop with icon color, and we show the icon with different colors. Now we need to set this icon color in JS file. Here. Yeah, in data. We need to set the icon color. We can say red. Oh, sorry, what I have done. Red. Blue, for example. And what's purple? Oh, yellow. Is it work? Yeah, okay. And now we'll see the effect. Have you seen it? Red, blue, purple, and yellow. Yeah, we can see them like this. Now, I have an exercise for you. Yeah, here we have this example with the red. Oh yeah, I have set different colors. Red, yellow, blue information icons are sequentially generated with this code. Icon color. And here we have a simple application of basic content icon of small program component. Yeah. We have already tried this one. Yeah, the second one. Now, perhaps you can try to make the third one. The third one is easier. I think it's much easier than the first one. Yeah, it's just first one is more complicated because you need to know the type of icon. But with the third one, just the size, it's easy to set it. Could you try to make the third one?
Can I quickly see the code? I have an error, so I think I missed something.
Pardon?
May I see the code for the previous example for number 2? I have an error here, so I think I missed something.
Okay, here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh. Yeah, try to make.
Actually, my one works, but it's tiny. Let me send you screenshots.
Excuse me.
The code works, but it's tiny. It's very small. Let me send you a screenshot quickly.
Normally, it's okay. Normally it doesn't take too much time. It's simple, but it's very good that your code works. Yeah. You see, if your code works, that means you have understood the use of Weixin 4 and icon for different color, for different size, etc. And yeah, you see that's our assignment of today is to realize this this demo, to realize it by yourself. I'll set it now. You see, and you can do it just after class. It's not very difficult. You can but there are three. You see, there are three parts. You need to show code for it. Show your code to for realizing the demo of three types of item. Here, three types of icon changes. Three types of icon changes. Is it clear? This exercise.
Yes, Ashi.
Okay, thank you, Kaya. Yeah, just you need to change the color, the size of it, and different types. At different types, you can have the type information, you can have the tab for warning, etc. Yeah, that's this assignment, and we can continue. Then we have our next component, and the corresponding attributes of this component is shown in this table. You see we have selectable, space, decode. We have these attributes. Selectable, it means whether the text is optional, whether we can select it or not. Space is to show consecutive space, and decode, whether to decode or not. Yeah, we have these attributes for this text component. For example, to generate a text component with optional content, we can use this code. As usual, if you want, we can continue without break. And we stop 10 minutes before, or you want to have a break? Which do you prefer?
We can continue if it's not a problem with you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. So you see text, with text, we can use this attribute selectable. It's also very, it's easy to check it. Here, you see, if we just use text, if we use text, then we can put, for example, this is a sentence. Yeah. If we put just like this, you see the effect of this is a sentence, but we cannot select it. Actable it as true, or we can just write. You see, yeah. Now it is a sentence. Normally we can say. Wait, text. And normally we can set it directly. Oh. You see, we can just select it. It's strange. Normally I have set I have modify I have tested that it works. It's gonna be different here. Perhaps it's better that I set it view. I set view here. And put it. Paste. Obviously. It's changed. It doesn't work now. Normally we can directly select it. We can directly. I think we can. Yeah, with your phone. I'll see it with my phone. We preview with our phone. Launch mobile phone. Yes. Have you tried it with selectable?
Yes, it also doesn't work on our side.
It works with yours or not? Sorry?
No, it doesn't actually.
It doesn't work with
for me.
But yeah, you can try with your phone. You use preview here, automatic preview. With your phone, it works. I have tried it. Yeah, with our phone, it works. We can, yeah, you see the difference. If we delete selectable, it doesn't work. We cannot choose it. But if we add the if we use the it works. You can try it.
Oh yes, it works now, Daoshi.
Yeah. Okay. And for other with the text, we have other simple application. We can try with the other. We can have other applications for this text component. As we see here, we have tried selectable. Then we can use, yeah, for example, how to display space. To display space, we can see, we can choose not to show consecutive space. For example, here we'll set another view class. We can set another one here. Another title here. Class 6. Text. Basic component. Basic component. Basic component text. We'll see what will happen with the space, with different settings of space. We have demo box. Selectable, we have already tried it. And now we'll see display of space. Yeah. Space display. Then, yeah, you see, we'll see, yeah. First one is it's a simple or normal one. It's the basic one. We can just write it like this. Text. Then we get, for example, this is without space. Yeah, and then we can add many spaces here. And you, yeah, this is an example. And then we can try with space. text space, we set the attribute we set it as. For example, this one, in the table we have already seen. In the table you can see this. When we set this attribute, it means that, the space has half size of a Chinese character. Yeah, we'll see it like this. Yeah, and same thing, we put like this. This is with half size. This is with half size. Change it, half size. Yeah, here is this one, and then we put another. Change the attribute. We change it's like this, and then this is with 4 sides. And the last one, we set another attribute. This is with the real size. In fact, it's according to the size of the text of the character. Yeah, this one. These 3 kinds, and then we need to close view. You see, we have view here. We have to close view. And here is this example. And we can also decode. Yeah, you see this one, this example. We'll complete and we'll compare it. You see here. When we see this is without space, it's like this. This is without space. We have no space between this and is. Then this is with half size. You see the space between this is and and this is. We have twice space here, then here, then 4 size and half size. Then this is with real size. It's according to the character size. You see the difference of these attributes. Is it clear for this part? The size.
Yes, Ashi.
We see here. We have already tried the selectable and the space for this text component. These 2 attributes, we have already tried them to see whether the text is optional and to show consecutive spaces. Yeah, you can also try the decode to see whether to decode it or decode or not. After this, yeah, we have, here we have already tried this example, and we have tried this, these values, half size of Chinese character space, Chinese character space size. space size set according to font. Specific intro. Yeah, you see here we have the specific introduction about the space attribute value. So paired. Later we have some precautions for decode. Yeah, you can see it and try examples later after lecture. Then we have the next. Oh yeah, here we have here it's shown this this example, simple application of the basic content text of the small program component. Yeah, and we have another component, rich text. Rich text is a rich text component, and the corresponding attributes of the component is shown here. Yeah, you see nodes, array string. Yeah, we have rich attributes. Yeah, this one I can show you also. For example, to declare a rich text component in Weixin ML, we can have this code in Weixin ML. And node is a variable with a custom name. We use it to define HTML content. If a pure string or it's used to describe the HTML code, it is expressed as follows in JS. We need to set them in data in JS. Yeah, we can try this. Yeah, you see here. We use the rich text. Rich text. We set the nodes. We see the array nodes. And then, yeah, this is this one. And we get the close of rich text. Then yeah, this is for rich text. Then we get the data. In Weixin ML, we declare it like this. In data, we can just set it in data nodes. Yeah, as we have set this, as we have set the array, we need to declare or define this array in this part. In this part, we can define it like this. We set the style of it. We set the style of these nodes. We get the style like, yeah, we can set the style of it. Oh yeah, we have already used a single node. We need to use double node now. We set the line height. We set them at 60 pixels. We set the color of it. We set it as red. Yeah. Here is the style. Then we set the content. Hello. Yeah, we set this content, and then we have the clause. The close clause. Yeah, this is similar to HTML. We have set this in data, and we'll try. Let's try if it will appear. Yeah, you see, hello is shown here for this rich text. Yeah, we need to pay attention that for rich text, the official statement recommends using the array type for the nodes property. This is because this rich text component, it converts the string type to the array type. So the performance will decrease when there is more content. An array type currently supports two types of nodes, like element node and text node text. And here we support default events like type, touch start, touch move, touch cancel, touch end, and long tap. We have these events. We have some element node. When type is node, it is an element node effect. And we have some related attributes shown here. We have the attributes name, attributes children. Each of them for name, it is support for partially trusted HTML nodes. For this one, we support some trusted attributes. It follows Pascal nomenclature. We have the children, like the structure is the same as the nodes. So pay attention. The element node is the default effect, and we can omit the type without writing. Here it's for the element node. We have also text node. Text node, like here. When the type is in text, it is an element node effect, and the related attributes are shown in this table. You see, we have a text attribute. We support entities. The text node does not support style effects, and it's only used to display plain text content. It can be, it can be used in conjunction with the element nodes. Here, we have some, you see, just there we have seen the example with hello. This example can also be described with an array. With an array. We can rewrite it like this. We can try this one. We can try it. We have already set it in WeChat ML. What we need to rewrite is JS part. We just change this part. We just change this part, like here. We set array nodes. As we see in an array, we need to use this when we set the name. We set the name of it. We set it as what we given is. We set it like this, and we have the attributes. Just then we have seen these attributes. Oh, yeah, similarly, we need to set the line style, the line height, and the color. We can copy it directly here. Line height and color. Yeah, we can just copy it here. We can adjust the style. Yeah, sorry, here I have done. Why put that please? Sorry. Yeah, so here we have set the style, this one, and then we need to set, we need also set the children. Yeah. We need also set the children here. We set the type and the text. Yeah, you see here. Yeah, we change the previous example like this. So we need to contain all information in the, yeah. Ooh la la. We need to contain all the information mentioned or used in the previous example. What we need to set here in children, we need to give the type of it. The type is a text. Yeah, the type. Let me see. Yeah, it's text for this part, and then we have the text. The text we have set as hello. Yeah. You see, we have commented it. So what is shown now is from here. Yeah, we can just say hi to make a difference. Yeah, then we can see when we compare, this will be replaced by hi. You see, it's like here. Yeah, have you seen it? Instead of hello, here it's just a hi. Yeah, this is this part, and then we can see another. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you see here the element node and the text node, they are used together, and the attribute ATTIs of the element node is used to declare the style. And the text attribute of the text node is used to declare the text content. The result of its operation is exactly the same as what we have used before in yeah, the previous example. And then here, we have rewrite it with these things. It should be noted that the element node globally, we use them to support the class and style attributes, but does not support the other things like the ID attribute, etc. Yeah, here it's for this rich text. Then we need to see next component, next application. Here we have a simple application of rich text. Here we have the basic content of small program components. Yeah, you see here we have three parts. Yeah, we have 3 parts. Use style, use class. The second, the first, the second, and the third is text node. Yeah, you can try to make them. You can try to make them if you want. Do you want to try this example?
Yes, I'm typing it up right now, Laoxin.
Okay, thank you, Kaya. Yeah, in Weixin ML, the code is simple. Yeah, this rich text you see in Weixin ML, the code is just like before. Have you tried to use style class? Yeah, you see, comparing to our previous example, it's not very difficult. We use the title, the demo box, and then we set the subsection. Like the first one we use is the element. Yeah. It's the element node. Element node, we use the style. And then we use rich text. We use the rich text. We get the nodes from an array. We get the nodes from an array. This is the first part. This first. Here is the first demo box, and the second one. This thing we have 3. Yeah, we can copy 3 times and 2 times to get those 3. The second one is also element node, but we use class style. And in this one, we change the array. We use nodes 2. And then the third one is no longer element node, it's text node. Text node. Node 3. So you see, in Weixin ML, it's quite similar. It's simple. But what is important is to get data, to set this data in JS file. In JS file, we need to set this data. Here we have yeah, we have already set nodes 1, nodes 2. And nodes 1 is similar with this one. Oh, sorry, I have get nodes 1 or nodes 01. Nodes 1, okay, it's good. In nodes 1, we have the name, the attributes, and then we set, yeah, in attribute, we can also add some other characteristics like font weight, for example. We can set it as bold. Yeah, this is the style. And then we can have the children. It's also text. Yeah, we can get high to make difference. Like hi. And then for note 2. Yeah, for note 2, for note 2, what we get here, we have also the name, we have the attributes. Instead of style, we use class. We use class here instead of style. For class, we use class. We set it as my style, for example. Yeah. Then we have children, the same thing. Oh yeah, children. We can make it different. We can say hi word. Yeah, and then those 3. Those 3 we have already. Those 3 we have already tried. See it here. Those 3. We get also the type and the style. We have set the style with in line height, color. We can we can also set, like here we can set the font weight. Yeah, okay. To make a difference to me. Oh, sorry. Right, and then we set the font weight. The font weight. We can set it as filled also. And here we get hello. To make it different, we can just do it like this. And then you see here we have set a class my style. We need to set it in Weixin SS file. In Weixin SS file, we need to set this my style. Similarly, we can get as before. What we have set here. Yeah, we have the color, the weight, and the font weight. Okay, it's okay, and then we can try it. Yeah, have you seen it? We have these three parts: element node with style, with class, and text node. Have you seen the effect?
Yes, Doctor. Now I can see it.
Okay, thank you, Kaya. Yeah, till here we have just introduced rich text, and yeah, I see the class. From next class we'll get other components like progress. Okay, my baby, perhaps we will stop here. The assignment I have published in Qing platform. And yeah, okay. Now, even though my my image is not very good now, but if you want to see my baby, I'll see him. Yeah, I'll put him now. Okay. Okay.
Yes, 老师。
OK，哎，然後先聽到佢聲音嘛，佢上看下子呀，講下下課，看下子冇呀佢，啊佢一下快上到，那快點。哦，哎，哦啦，哎，用攝像頭 ，look at the camera，
哦，
哎
Good.
，he's getting
He's so shy. Yeah.
Oh, hi, say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Here is the daughter of my friend, and this is my baby.
Hello.
Hi, say hi.
আবে আজকে তুই শোন না
Hello. Oh, he's too, yeah, he attaches to me too much, and I cannot give lectures normally.
He just love you so much, ma'am. That's why. I think he's cute.
He's so quiet now, but just then he was not quiet. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to look at him. Oh, I'm so tired now. Hi, 你也说 hi 小慧
It's okay, 老师。Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you
Yes,
so much,
Laushi, thank you
老师。
so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, 老师。
再见。哎，宝贝干嘛？哎喂。